Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me for a project share. This is for a gingerbread recipe swap hosted by Kelly Santi Designs and Wanda from A Day in My World. Super excited to have been able to join this collaboration. Kelly and Wanda have been hosting open collaborations. I always miss it, so I was finally happy to be able to sign up for one of these creative collaborations. And this time the challenge was Kelly had sent us some foam cutouts of gingerbreads, and what we had to do was decorate the front of that foam into our choice of girl or boy, gingerbread girl or boy, and on the back we would share a recipe, and it could be in different forms. We could do an easel card or any style that we would like that they could use to display or put away in a recipe book. So I decided to go with a kind of a frame stand style, and I hope my partner, who is Entropy Crafts Emmy, will like it. And I'm going to show you what I have. So I'm going to put this aside and show you what I came up with. So here is my little gingerbread girl, and the theme was merry and bright, so there's a lot of bling and she's joyful. You see the hearts just flying out there. So I put these glittery ones as well. This was gifted to me by my dear snail mail friend Sandra, so thank you very much. I put some pearl accents on her arms and her feet and around her head and over here. And again, went with the pink for the background and trim here as well. And then we have some heart trim at the bottom. The base of her dress is kind of a craft checkered look. We have a little shaker here in the middle that says Merry Christmas. Really cute. And then we have white button brads on each of these corners and more bling frame here in gold. Now for our recipe, so basically I made her something that she could put on her counter. She can let it stand. On the back side, I decided to create a pocket. And again, we have a buttons holding in this little stand here so she can stretch it out like that. And we have our cute little clay ornament here with our little pastry gingerbread guy. And we have a recipe here. And I have my little signature handmade with love, Karamia's Corner. And so when she pulls it out, what I did was I folded this in a little, I don't know if you're familiar with the smash books, or so it's a like origami fold, so she can take this off. And then it opens up. This special recipe is from Susan Branch. She is one of my favorite illustrators and American author, and so this is a recipe that her grandmother had passed on to them, and it's a Christmas nut cookies. So I hope she likes this one. And so this is handwritten by Susan Branch, and it has all the ingredients and the steps, so I hope my swap partner loves this recipe. And it's gonna be fun to make. You know, it's always fun to make handmade goodies and share it with family and friends. So you can tuck it back in place in there, and then while you're baking, maybe display our little gingerbread girl on the counter. But that is it. That is my gingerbread recipe swap. I'm also going to be including a number of goodies that I'm not going to be sharing. I'll leave it up to my swap partner to unbox on her YouTube channel. So I have some goodies here in this tin, and I'd like her to be surprised. So I hope you guys enjoyed this project share. Make sure to check out the wonderful and talented crafters that are joining this wonderful swap. I'll have all their links down in the description box. And again, thank you to Kelly and Wanda for hosting such a fun swap challenge. Thanks again for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.